In this video, I'll show you how to hide likes on Facebook posts step by step. First, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap the menu button, then go to Settings and Privacy and select Settings. Scroll down to Reaction Preferences. Here, you'll find the option to hide the number of reactions on posts you create or on posts you see. Turn on the setting for On Your Posts if you don't want other people to see the total number of reactions on your posts. You can also turn on the option to hide reaction counts on posts you see in your feed. Keep in mind that hiding reaction counts doesn't remove the reactions themselves, and you may still be able to see who reacted to a post depending on the post and your privacy settings. Once you've updated the setting, return to Facebook and check one of your posts to confirm the reaction count is hidden. That's how you can hide likes and reaction counts on Facebook posts. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook tutorials. Thanks for watching.